1028 or 1029. It's going to happen anytime. So close to 1030 kilometers, and we still have 170 kilometers to go. Whether we'll be able to pull off that 1200 kilometers in one tank full, it is like nail-biting thriller. We have 1 point remaining. Come on, High Rider. Hi there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault, and today we have the real acid test or the real world test of whether the hybrids can pull it off in real world conditions. Yes, we have the best of the best among the hybrids which started it all, the Toyota Hyryder, which is high on reliability, high on performance, high on safety, high on durability and high on comfort, and more than anything high on fuel efficiency and mileage. So we're going to ride from Hyderabad to Vizag with just one full tank of fuel, and we have more than 1200 kilometers to cover up and down. The real world mileage test or the real world fuel efficiency test as to whether the hybrids can stand the test of time in real world conditions starts right here. So that we have a proper trusted and proven record. So ikkada trip 0 అయిపోయింది. So guys, we are resetting the trip meters to 0 so that we have a proper trusted and proven record of what we are achieving. Okay guys, so all set to start. Always wear your seat belts, because without the seat belt the airbag doesn't get triggered. And let's see how it goes. It's gonna be a nail-biting thriller. So guys, you can clearly see here we have full tank of fuel, and that's how we are starting, and we've just covered 3 kilometers. So guys, if you notice here, this is the real-time fuel economy as well as the fuel economy history that is being shown here on the Speedo. So here you have the eco power that's being used, the charging as it's happening. As I'm letting go of the throttle, it starts charging the battery, and then of course you can see when I'm just feathering the throttle, the real-time fuel economy goes up to 50. That's insane. That is 20, 40, 50. And then when I'm trying to just be a little bit on the throttle to give a quick burst of power to, just say for instance I want to overtake this truck, step on the gas, it gets into power mode, the petrol engine takes over, the electric motor gives you the boost, and we are off in a flash, and we can perform this quick overtake. And similarly, if you see now there's a little bit of down here, and I can see I'm completely off the throttle, charging is on, and the mileage is maximized. Okay guys, the great news is we have done it. So you can see it's 25.9 kmpl, and after judiciously sticking to a code and trying to drive as efficiently as possible, we were just cruising, ambling around, and whenever there was an opportunity could perform those quick overtakes to overtake the trucks. But other than that, sticking to a speed of around 70 to 80, I mean 26.1 kmpl, and the range is still getting updated here. So that's the case here, 27.6 kmpl, and that's the beauty. And that's the beauty of hybrids and hybrid tech. Oh, after a lot of disciplined driving, day one ends on a high. As you can see, first of all, we're jubilant that India has won, and so has the High Rider. Day one, 28.3 kmpl. It still shows a range of 615. It's incredible, and we are enjoying a beautiful sunset as we enter Vijayawada. Hi there guys, welcome to day 2. We are here in Vijayawada. This is the Hyatt place. I had to edit some videos, so hardly any sleep. There's maybe 2 hours of sleep, and the boys are up. We're all set to, complete this amazing or awesome mileage challenge of the High Rider. These are challenging conditions, but the High Rider is weathering the storm in real world conditions. Yesterday we ended up with 28.3 kmpl. That's unheard of. Are you insane? Are you out of your mind kind of mileage figure? And we're going to complete it kind of today, reaching Vizag on time, and that's why we're starting early. So the epic journey continues. The mileage is showing average fuel economy is 25.5 since morning. It's hovering around that figure, but look at the beautiful scenery here. As we approach Rajahmundry, the bridges, the water bodies, all this comes alive, and that's the beauty of this place. And the High Rider is really impressing me with every drive. Be it the ride quality, the suspension, the damping settings are bang on. I mean, the chassis orientation is right on point. And as I told you, the NVH levels, the noise insulation of the cabin is extremely well sorted. So it's a very completely fatigue-free driving experience, and making it even better here is the hybrid system. Okay guys, so we've reached Visakhapatnam, and the mileage is now 26.2 kmpl, and we still have nearly half tank of fuel according to the speedometer. So let's see, tomorrow's day is going to be nail biting, action packed thriller. చివరికి హోటల్కి వచ్చేసినాం అన్నమాట. We made it to the hotel. We're in Vizag, but tomorrow is the actual acid test. Well, this is the final day. Day 3, the actual D-Day, where we head back from Vizag to Hyderabad. Now, Vizag is the port city, beautiful beach road, and this is a very lavish property. This is Radisson Blu Resort. So, extremely well arranged ride, well curated ride, drive by Toyota. Hats off to them. Be it the organizers, be it the coordination, everything was top notch, very meticulous, and more than that, the actual vehicle stood the test of time and walked the talk. The High Rider, giving us unbelievable mileage. We touched almost 28.3 kmpl in this drive from Hyderabad to Vizag, and today we are heading back from Vizag to Hyderabad, and we have just one day to do that. Tomorrow I'm flying for another event, so we got to reach by evening, and at the same time we got to finish this awesome mileage challenge, awesome High Rider mileage challenge. And the hero here is the hybrid tech. And if you are wondering whether we're using any high octane fuel or any ethanol fuel, that's not the case. It's just the regular fuel that we had used, only with full tank, that we started from Hyderabad. There's no other refueling that happened, and also there is no other special technique. It's whatever speeds we were driving. So you might be wondering whether we are driving like a snail or a sluggish speed. No, that's not the case. We are driving between 70 to 80. That's the sweet spot. And the actual strategy is feathering the throttle or part throttle driving. So instead of flooring the accelerator pedal, just keep tapping for the momentum, because you have an electric motor on board. It keeps propelling the vehicle, and at the same time simultaneously charging the battery. And the EV mode that propels or sustains the acceleration or the mobility through this travel is the magic, and how it optimizes the overall mileage. And so far we've done it in grand style. Now is the real acid test, getting back to Hyderabad with whatever remaining fuel we have, and let's see how this all ends or comes to a grand end. Well, good morning folks, we are on our way. Look at the visuals, early morning beach road, lovely view, the waves crashing into the shore, and we are on our way back. I'm pretty damn sure the High Rider is capable of that. Let's root for it, boys. Let's get going. And look at the view, it's absolutely breathtaking, superb. And look at this, where we have stopped. Such a lovely place. Oh, this is vast open landscape, mountains and valleys, and lush green pastures all around. Doesn't get better than this. Okay, so we've crossed Vijayawada on our way towards Hyderabad, and it's kind of touch and go. We've achieved 1,028 kilometers, or 1,028 or 1,029. It's going to happen anytime. So close to 1,030 kilometers, and we still have 170 kilometers to go. Whether we'll be able to pull off that 0 to 1200, 1200 kilometers in one tank full, it is like nail biting thriller. We have 1 point remaining. Come on, High Rider, don't let us down. So guys, the good news, we are touching 1100. The target 1200 kilometers on a single tank full. There you have 1100 happening right in front of your eyes. That's what the High Rider is truly made up of. Walking the talk and going the distance and getting things done. Well, the clock is ticking. The kilometers are running, and we are inching closer to victory. Here we have almost 1150 kilometers done. 50 more kilometers. Come on, High Rider, we can pull this off. 1200 kilometers is the target, and we are just few kilometers away from achieving glory. One full tank of fuel, which is around 45 liters, I believe, and getting 1200 kilometer range is unheard of. So guys, this action-packed, nail-biting thriller is coming to a grand climax or a grand conclusion. 10 more kilometers to go to finish the challenge, the awesome High Rider mileage challenge. 1200 kilometers from a single tank of fuel, going from Hyderabad to Vizag, and we're almost back to Hyderabad. We're just almost maybe 40 or 50 kilometers away, but more than that, the challenge is to complete 1200 kilometers to a full tank, and that's going to happen. We're just 10 kilometers away from achieving glory and achieving the unmatchable or unimaginable or the impossible. I think they have done something extraordinary here with the Hyryder. That is something you need to drive it to believe it. So head to your nearest Toyota dealer, test drive it. Not only is it having amazing ride quality, great safety features, amazing convenience features, all the new age features like panoramic sunroof that retracts all the way to the back, good sound system and all, but more than that, something that our nation is obsessed with, kitna deti hai, ye itna deti hai is the, I think, tagline that has to go here. I mean, this thing doesn't give up at all. 1 point of fuel that is blinking for the last 170 kilometers or maybe even more than that, and it is still refusing to give up. And oh boy, what a machine. That the last light, the fuel light, is near empty and it's been blinking for the last 170 plus kilometers, almost 180 kilometers, and it is still going strong. Whoa, 1200 kilometers to a tank full. We have achieved the challenge. The awesome Hyryder mileage challenge is done. What a way, what a machine. You champion. I mean, can't believe this. You know why I'm so excited, so so engrossed in this win? Because the last bar of fuel has been blinking for the last 170 kilometers, nearly 180 kilometers we've been driving only in the last bar of fuel. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. The last bar of fuel is still blinking. It's like that thriller cricket match that just happened and Siraj pulled off a miracle. I mean, the Hyryder is the champ here. I mean, it's walked the talk, stood the test of time, and it has delivered more than what could be expected. What a machine. This is the modern marvel that is here to stay, I have to say. I mean, the kind of following Toyota enjoys, the kind of trust and credibility the brand stands up for, this machine has underscored that today, and made a point that hybrids are here to stay. Yes, if you could recall, there was a recent statement made by the Toyota chairman that more than the EVs, they are really hoping that the hybrids are the way forward, moving forward. They are the future, and this is the one that's spearheading their statement here in India. Yes, I keep saying this and I have to say it again. Here the mantra is kitna deti hai, and trust me, this one has gone beyond that, blown that statement away, and has stood the test of time, weathered all the storms. We have driven across all the road condition, broken roads, well paved roads, city roads, and still it refuses to give up. It's 1202 now, almost 1202 kilometers clocked with a full tank of fuel, and what a way to bring this on. Okay, 1230 kilometers done and still not given up. Guess what? What a way, what a machine. Now we are fueling up. After we had fueled up at close to Ramoji Film City, we went to Vizag, did tracking shots, went detour for exploring, came back almost, we just maybe 20-30 kilometers away from Ramoji Film City, but this machine has stood the test of time. 1230 kilometers to a full tank and still not done. It was still going, but we are going to end this here, and because I have a flight to catch as well. So we are fueled up here at a Bharat Petroleum fuel station, and a beautiful sunset welcomes us back home. So what a way to end this challenge. The awesome Hyryder mileage challenge ends in grand style, with the car being the true hero of this challenge and actually getting things done more than anything else.